Hi everyone, my name is Christabel, I'm part of Earth and I'm here with Anabel from Neal's Yard Remedies, and we are at Peace Marsh in Dorset at the Eco Factory of Neal's Yard Remedies, and we're going to be learning about some of the beautiful stories behind the products of Neal's Yard and about why natural health stands at the very centre. So Anabel, natural health has been a core part of the Neal's Yard philosophy forever, and what does that mean to you?
Well, I'm a natural health practitioner myself, and I think actually health is where it all begins. Most of our products have either an infusion or a tincture, which is a way of preserving or bringing out and enhancing the herb's therapeutic power, I would say. And so it really has a therapeutic benefit in everything that we do. Take calendula, for example. It's wonderful for calming your skin and is very soothing. And this will be our second or third bloom through the summer. It just keeps on flowering.
Wow.
There are times when it's completely orange, the whole field, but in fact this goes into about 60 of our products. 60. It's one of our most used herb. But look at the diversity and the colour of our calendula, and that really is, we've said that with Wild Rose Beauty Balm also, sometimes it comes out a little bit yellow and sometimes it's darker, and customers always think, oh, they've changed the formulation, but diversity in nature, as you see here, is you can't control. I think people have been coming to Neal's Yard forever for whatever their needs are. I mean, myself included. This is absolutely our #1 bestseller, which is Wild Rose Beauty Balm. You look very familiar with that product. There's a lovely story about this, that the community that we work with in Serbia, we were exporting the rosehip seeds to France to be crushed, and then we decided that seems not sensible, so why don't we help you? So they've now got their own rosehip seed crusher, and so that allows them to be more sustainable and sell to lots of other markets. We also sell herbs, dried herbs, and we also sell tinctures, and they are for particular ailments.
Can you tell me about the frankincense?
We get a frankincense supply from 2 regions. We've started to grow little tiny saplings of frankincense, and apparently they're notoriously impossible to grow. So we had an outreach program to see if they could grow frankincense trees because, so to make sure that they weren't endangered. It's all in our logo, really, because the tree represents, if you nurture the roots, then the tree will flourish, and that's what natural health really means to me. For the last 12 years, we've been campaigning heavily for protecting bees.